Welcome to our tutorial on how to unfollow a channel on WhatsApp Web using your PC. If you're looking to declutter your channel subscriptions, we'll walk you through the simple steps to unfollow a channel. Let's begin. To start, open your web browser and navigate to web.whatsapp.com. Once the page loads, look to the left sidebar and locate the Channels option. Click on Channels to access your subscribed channels. From the list displayed, find the specific channel you no longer wish to follow and click on it to open. Now that you're on the channel page, direct your attention to the top right corner. You'll see 3 dots symbolizing additional options. Click on these 3 dots to reveal a drop-down menu. In the menu that appears, select the Unfollow option. A confirmation prompt will then appear asking if you're sure you want to unfollow the channel. Click on Unfollow once again to confirm your decision. And there you have it. You have successfully unfollowed the channel on WhatsApp Web. By following these straightforward steps, you can easily manage your channel subscriptions and tailor your content preferences. We hope this guide has been helpful in assisting you with unfollowing a channel on WhatsApp Web. Thank you for watching, and be sure to check out our other tutorials for more tips and tricks to enhance your messaging experience.